Hey, look what I just picked up. I'm gonna try shooting. Nice little PSE surge. I'm gonna try to get this set up for Mac. So I'm gonna test it out and see how it shoots. Not bad for the first couple shots. I haven't even sighted it in, I haven't touched it. This is all sighted in for the previous owner. I bought this used, and as you can see, thing shoots pretty smooth. I'll get this down, adjusted down for Mac, let her start shooting it, and get sighted in. I think it's gonna work real well for her. I like it, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna like it. Stay tuned. Watch Mac shoot. Keep in mind, I have not shot a bow in probably 10 years or better. Both my shoulders had surgery, and ever since then I wasn't capable of pulling a bow back. So I've been hunting with a crossbow. I picked this up for Mac. It's fully adjustable. I can set this to her draw length, and we'll see. And the poundage is good for her, so she should be able to shoot this with ease. And I'm going to teach her. I'm going to teach her how to shoot. And it's holding a pretty good group. It's smooth. My shoulder, my left arm, it's feeling it, because I haven't held that up in a bow in, like I said, 10 years. So, hey, but the first thing that's got to come off of this thing after she learns how to shoot is that whisker biscuit. I never did like the whisker biscuit. It's good for beginners, but we're going to take that off after she learns how to shoot properly, and we're going to put a nice drop away rest on there, and that'll be a lot more accurate for her, and she'll be able to hit that target bullseye with ease. I have the utmost confidence in her. So she's good at everything she does. So keep an eye out, keep watching, hit that subscribe, click on that notification bell if you want to see how she progresses, because come fall, she's going to be whacking some deer. All right, talk to you later. See you on the next video.